session 4. This is the second part of our session to do with aiming. So what I need for this, I'm going to need to grab myself a ball or the equivalent. I also need to get myself a marker. So what I'm going to do with my marker, I've got a glove here. I'm going to put my marker down on the floor and take a few steps away from it like so. So what I'd like you guys to do, we're going to roll the ball, and your task is to try and get the ball as close to your marker as possible. So you've got to put it in the right direction, the right amount of power to get it to go close to our marker. Here we go. Not bad. So after you've thrown the ball or rolled the ball, you have to go and pick it up. We'll head back to our starting position again. Here we go. So same again. Oh, that one was pretty good for me. We'll grab our ball. Here it is. Oh, that one's gone a little bit too far. So depending on how you do, you might need to change your roll a little bit to make sure it goes close to that target. Here we are again. That was better, took a little bit of power off that one, that worked well. Take a few steps back again. Yeah, I'm going to go one more go. Oh, that was a good one for me. Right then. So what I'd like you guys to do now is grab yourself a second marker. I've actually got another glove. So I'm going to put one down in one position. I'm going to put one down in a different position. We've got a little bit of space between the two. And I'm going to stand again away from my markers, but in the middle of the two of them. So I've got one on one side of me, one on the other side. So this time we're still going to roll the ball. I'm going to choose one marker to roll the ball to. So I'm going to have to change my throw to go towards that one. Excellent. And then of course I might just grab my ball. And for the next roll, I'm going to go back to the other marker. So I'm going to go to the other direction, like so. And grab my ball. So you notice you have to change it. You have to change where you're facing. And try and get the ball to go towards the marker of your choice. And a little jog out. Here we go. Now, if of course you've got more than one object you can roll, of course that's why I've got a few tennis balls here. So I can roll one to one side, and then go straight away, one to that side, and then back to that one, and then just grab them all in one big bunch. That's okay as well. That's about to get it on top of the marker, that's good. There we go. So I've actually got 4 tennis balls now, so I can keep going. Obviously, just got the one, then just go one and then collect. One to one marker, one to the other marker. Notice how I'm changing where I'm facing to try and change the direction of the ball. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to move it on, and we're going to move it on to throwing the ball. So your challenge on this one, again, is to get the ball to finish or land as close to your marker as possible. So the difference now, of course, is that the ball's going to be in the air rather than along the floor. So you've got to judge how hard to throw the ball to get it to go the right distance. Here we go. Okay, again, after you've done your throws, collect your tennis balls. And we'll have one more go at that for me. For the last one, we're going to go the opposite way this time. Excellent. Now, I'll throw my ball one more time. I'm also going to collect in my markers this time. Okay, so there's one more thing for this. So what you need is probably about 5 or 6 different kind of objects on the floor. So I'm going to use some of the tennis balls that I've had, and you just need to spread them out in a little bit of a space, but not too far apart. I've got a tennis racket here, a couple of gloves, like so. So just in a little bit of a space out in front of you. So your challenge now, you've got to try and hit as many objects as you can. So every time you hit an object, you're going to take that object away, and then I've got one less to aim for. So here we go. So if I throw the ball here, so I'm going to stand in the starting position, to make it easier, obviously by coming a little bit closer, or you can go a little bit further away if you want a bit more of a challenge. Here we go. Oh, so I've hit the tennis racket there, so I'm going to take the tennis racket off to one side. I'll grab my tennis ball, head back to the starting position. Here we go. So I've got a smaller target now to aim for. Oh, didn't hit anything that time, that's okay. Here we go, back to the start, here it comes. Oh, man's hit the pair of gloves, or one of the gloves. I'm going to take the gloves away. Now I've only got 4, so I can leave them exactly where they were. See if I can hit. Oh, a bit more tricky now. Of course, again, if you want to make it a little bit easier, you can come a little bit closer. Or you could even go back to rolling it, try and win one of those objects. Or if you wanted a bit more of a challenge, you can stay a little bit further away. And obviously try and go from a little bit farther. Oh, got it there. So I got this ball here. So you can keep going for as long as you like and see if you can hit all of your objects. Or move back, make it a bit more challenging, or you can come forwards. That's the end of part 2.